Okay, let's take a look at lesson 5.3. Identify related facts. How do you know if addition and subtraction facts are related? Listen and draw. Use cubes to show 4 plus 9 equals 13. Draw cubes to show a related subtraction fact. Write the subtraction sentence. Okay, so let's use our cubes to show 4 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sure enough, 4 plus 9 is 13. Now, we need to use those cubes to write a related subtraction fact. So we need to take something away. Well, remember, before we take away, we have to start with everything. How much is our everything? All of them make 13. And we're going to subtract, so we'll write a minus sign. Now, I'm going to take away our big chunk. Our big chunk is 9. I'm going to take away all 9. 13 take away 9. And what does that leave us with? That's right, it leaves us with 4. We could draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. Let's go this direction because it's 4 plus 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take away 9, leaves us 4. Okay, let's turn the page. Use the pictures. What two facts can you write? And they wrote 3 plus 9 equals 12. You can go ahead and trace that. I'm not going to right now because it always winds up messy. And then they started with all 12 because they're going to take away. And before we take away, we have to start with everything. 12. Stop eating my shirt, bunny. 12 take away 9 equals, yep, just those 3 little yellow ones. Don't eat the cube either. Okay, let's look down here. Add and subtract. Circle the related facts. 6 plus 4. I'm going to use my arithmetic rack. 6 plus 4. Oh, look, I see a quick trade I could make. 6 plus 4 must be 10. I'm going to go back to how I had it in the first place, though. 6 plus 4. Ow! 6 plus 4. Now it says 10 minus 4. So if I have 10 and I take away 4, what am I left with? 6. That's right. Now, let's check to see if those two facts have all 3 of the same numbers. Do they both have a 6? Yep. Do they both have a 4? Yep. Do they both have a 10? Yep. Sure enough, they're related facts, so I'm going to circle that one. Let's look at 9 plus 8. What is 9 plus 8? 9 plus 8 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. And now let's look at this 17 minus 8. Now we don't go 8 minus 17 just because the answer spot is over here. Hey, stop that. Now the bunny's eating the book. We don't go at 8 minus 17. We still always subtract left to right. 17 minus 8. Well, here's my 8. I'm going to take it away. And that leaves me with the 9 that I started with. 17 minus 8 is 9. Now let's check. Do they both have a 17? Sure enough. Do they both have a 9? Yes, they do. Do they both have an 8? Yepers. So we'll circle it. Let's look at the next one. 9 plus 5. Let's see. 9 plus 5. We've got a 10 and 4 more. I know that's 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. Now the next one says 9 minus 5. Boy, I've got a lot more than 14 here, so I think I'm just going to back up and start over. 9 minus 5. Now, I'm not going to get 5 more because it says minus. Take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does that leave me with? Leaves me with 4. Let's check to see if these are two related facts. Do they both have 9? They sure do. Do they both have 5? Yes, they do. Do they both have 14? No, they don't. This one only has 4. Oh, so they don't match exactly. They must not be related facts, so I'm not going to circle them. Okay, you'll continue this page the same way. On the next page it says add and subtract. Color the leaves that have related facts. So just like you circled the ones that had related facts over here, here you're going to color the leaves green that have related facts. If they aren't related, you won't color it. So some of them you'll color and some of them you won't, but you don't have to cross them out, and it might not be this one, okay? So go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, you know what, let me talk to you about this one too when you get there. Use the numbers to write related addition and subtraction sentences. So let's see, I'm going to just start with these two numbers. 4 plus 5 equals 4 plus 5 equals 9. There it is, so I can use that. Now I'm going to write a related subtraction sentence. So I'm going to start with my everything, because before we take away, we have to start with everything. 9 minus, and I'll pick 5. 9 minus 5 would make 4. That works. Now, could I do 12 plus 13? I couldn't, because I have to use just the numbers that are on here, and 12 plus 13 makes a number that's way bigger than 14. So I need to pick smaller numbers to add and subtract, well, to add together, so that whatever I make isn't more than 14. Okay, so go ahead, you can do that when you're ready, and I'll be happy to help you when I'm done working with the orange squirrels.